Hello, collective. So, yeah, anytime with clear energy, you can pretend switch the situation, but don't try to put it in this method. Okay, this time, let's go. Alright, and this is key another two cards for the current situation of my collective. And one last card. Okay. Oh, so, my collective, you want to negotiate a situation, okay? Yeah, you wanted might be to ask someone or your family, people around you, not just one person, that you're keeping it. So you're probably stalking this person. Okay, it's okay. That's, but okay, probably don't know what to say. But don't try to stalk them in a creepy way. Stalking their social media is okay if that works on you. If you're not gonna hurt them or doing something, I don't know, not good. And you're keeping notes what do they want and where places that they do want to go. Yeah, see, keeping notes and you keep watching on them. So yeah, let me see what you should do to your current situation. So I'm trying my best to make it general reading. However, it is some situation that it may show a really uh, love situation or general. Oh my god, I don't know what to say. So, give me three cards for my collective. What they should do within the situation, please. Authority angels. Give me three cards for what my collective should do. Okay. So you might be okay. There's a lot of hmm. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, I sense that frustration and moodiness. So you're probably seeing your person that going towards their dreams, harvesting what they planted. Okay, so that's why it triggers you. Fire sign, water sign, earth sign might be resonant. Hmm. So it triggers you, but that you think that you are not good for them because they can have what they want. Let's say you're having a complete, both of you might be having complete as of now, and both of you are working alone. You have to change your scenery to be uplifting, okay? Give yourself time to get that spark. Don't force, it will return in due time, okay? Once you accept the change, okay? For example, whatever the conflict that you're having towards your person or people or your friend, you need to accept and take accountability about that. Okay, I'm not saying that it's all your fault, but conversation towards some people around us that we don't sometimes we don't really know that we hurt their feelings or they they don't know that they hurt us. I just don't want to I just don't want to judge whether it's you or them who make the situation worse. But if both of you have an ego, something's not gonna change, okay? If your person did something that think that you can forgive them, then yeah, let go. But if your person tries to negotiate with you before and you disregard that, because I can feel there's some opportunity that slip away, okay? I mean, it's already in your hands. That's why you wanted to apologize actually. Whatever that happened between both of you, the temptation, the materialism and greed, because towards this connection, you choose that addiction like that. You really wanted to apologize, and you have to apologize, okay? I just wanted to give you benefit of the doubt, and for the sake of argument, I don't want to say that it was you who make this situation worse. But whoever it is, if you really feel like you need to make a first move and say sorry, that makes you happy, no matter what the outcome, do it. Because I think it's haunting you every night. It gives you a headache. And you know what? By doing that, and they don't accept that, at least you have a peace of mind towards yourself. Not because that you wanted to uh, to bring them back. Some people some people can accept apologize. Some people are can accept apologize, but still there's a boundary. But you have to work on that, of course. And some people really doesn't really don't care, but at least you have peace of mind. I did my best, okay? It's just doesn't work out that way. Oh my god. I always say sorry first, even to a slight arguments, even in driving, even if I raise my voice. Because I think some people really deserve their the validation. Okay, some people when you are get mad into someone like a waitress, okay, crew, which they don't really know what they did wrong. We just blame them because we're having a hard day. I I can't sleep without saying I'm sorry. It's not your fault. Even I don't know the person. Even it's not me who is at who shout at them. Even it's my friend. Okay, that who shouted at the crew. I always say, I'm sorry, they're just having a hard time. But, of course, I scold my friend, okay? So, yeah, give me 3 cards for my collective. I don't want someone who have a sleepless night, who's working hard to earn money and to earn some some respect in this world, okay? Just because someone lead give a negative energy towards a person. I just don't want to use bad words, okay? So, yeah. Your guide telling you this divine plan, okay? So, whatever the reason that you met this person, it's because there is need a change. There's an unseen help, so your guides really helping you towards some new path. There will be an inspiration and ideas, and you can channel that messages, and you have to have a positive outlook to have a fresh start. So I hope this helps you collective, and I really wish you the best. Okay, just work on your happiness. Do what's best for you. Bye.